What's up, guys? Welcome to Etsy Shop Reviews, episode number 81. We're going to be looking at a viewer-submitted Etsy shop, study what they did well, see what they can improve upon, and hopefully all learn together. So let's get started. The shop we're reviewing today is called Azem Goods, A-Z-E-M Goods, stylish and comfortable apparel for any occasion. I'll link to them in the description if you want to follow along. So they are a star seller with 88 sales, average 5-star review. Well done. The mockups, I'm already liking the mockups, guys. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. It's not, top 0.1% seller, Etsy seller mockups, but I think they do a good job of the most important thing, which is selling people on the design while also making it clear that they are selling a t-shirt. You know what I mean? In this case, in the case of t-shirts, like the design is the hero in the mockup, but it's also still very clear that, they're selling it on this color product, right? They've got video on a couple of these listings here as well. It looks like that may be even published from MyDesigns because I've recognized that video kind of cadence. So maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but I'm thinking maybe it is, maybe. Although you also have some overlays there. That could be in the image. Yeah, sorry, I'm getting off track. I love that you've got some football shirts because I'm all about the fantasy football and my NFL football. It is also, seasonally speaking, a good time to be selling them. You're also getting ahead of yourself with the Hello Thanksmas products. One thing I'll mention, if you're going to be in the really competitive, like Hello Thanksmas niches, I would just say, based on everything that we see when we do these videos together, is you probably want to lower your list price. When we see those like high-end best sellers, they almost always have a list price under $10. Typically, it would be like as low as $8, even $7. Does that mean that customers are only paying, $8 when they purchase a shirt? No, it means that it's probably, like a single, like XS, extra small, and one color, right? And they may even mark that as sold out. It's kind of a cheating thing to do, but sometimes people do it. But that's something that, it's just playing the game, right? It's playing the game. Etsy makes the rules. We just kind of follow along and do the best we can to achieve our end goal, which is what? To make sales, make money, right? Make passive income, hopefully. So that is one thing. Like, not that you did anything wrong here. It looks like I'm already liking your shop and how it's set up. But if you really want to be in like the Hello Thanksmas niche, you know what I mean? Like the really, really high-end, like competitive niches that are going to generate lots of money, lots of sales on Etsy, I do think you want to get as, like I just said, do what I just said. Lower your list price. Study the best performing listings. They all pretty much have single-digit, single-dollar list prices. In terms of niches, though, liking the football niche. I already said that. Got some Halloween stuff going. Liking the designs. The tumbler wraps, we know that those can sell really well. We've even seen tumbler wraps marked under $1, which I don't think is necessarily the worst thing. You can always increase the price as they rank better. So I'm not saying you did anything wrong with your price point, but as they continue to make sales and send stronger messages to the algorithm, then you can always increase the price, right? Like, I don't know, $1.49 is nothing, but at the same time, if you're priced higher than a lot of your competition, because we know it's a low barrier of entry, it's not really the best kept secret anymore that you can use AI to create these images on command and then sell them as tumbler wraps. We pretty much are all on the same page about that. So I'm just trying to think out loud of like what you might be able to do, to your benefit. Some nursing shirts, we know that's a great niche year round. All right, and you're even getting into the specifics, like the various types of nursing. I love that sticker, by the way. That's really a nice looking graphic and framed really well as a sticker. So, I mean, if that's a well-researched niche, then I can't imagine that you're not making some sales there. I would bet you are. I love this. You also have some like dictionary style designs. I have definitely sold some of those in the past. What else do you have going on here? I'm liking the mockups though so far. It looks like you're probably using MyDesigns, which shout out to them. And if you're not, let me know. I forgot when I write these, when I have my list of Etsy shop reviews, I don't always put the contact for the owner of the shop. So you can always let me know if you were using it, either in the comments or email me. Hello Thanksmas again. Some of the 3D, by the way, the 3D effect when you're using AI to generate a lot of these seems to be really popular. Some of the best performers are the 3D. More Hello Thanksmas. We know it's going to do well. More tumblers. Maybe I should go back to like your sections here. So let's see. Personalized. You're doing personalized shirts as well. 2023, if you sign up, it'll help you get your first sale. And down there, you'll find a link to my print on demand Facebook group. I hope you'll join the community. I wonder if you're using Hello Custom for these. That would be really cool as well. Anybody who doesn't know what Hello Custom is, you should check out my video on them. I can also link to that in the description for you. But basically, it automates. It does everything it can to automate. You still have to go in there and like verify that it did it correctly, but it uses AI to extract the personalization request from your customer and then puts it in your design for you. And all you have to do is go in and click approve and you're good to go. So just based on that, it looks like this shop is a subscriber that really pays attention to what I talk about. I'm thinking they may be potentially using Hello Custom, but if not, check it out. I'll put the link in the description for my review / tutorial. You've got shirts, you've got tank tops. And one strategy that I like to employ that you've heard me talk about probably, if you guys are watching my videos on a Saturday for my Etsy shop reviews, you've probably heard me say this, but I like to take my designs that are working, the ones that are generating sales, I'll typically prioritize posting them on a t-shirt, like assuming that it's optimized for a shirt, right? I'll post it first on a shirt, and then if it's selling well, make it available on a hoodie, make it available on a tank top. Sometimes I'll put the sweatshirt, honestly, if I'm publishing through MyDesigns, which is almost exclusively what I publish through these days just because it's such a time saver. Typically what I'll do is I'll just publish to a shirt, but I'll also make the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt available, but I won't like market it as a sweatshirt. I'll just kind of add the last 2 mockups as sweatshirt mockups. You know what I'm saying? Just in case somebody likes it so much that they want to buy the shirt and the sweatshirt. You know what I mean? Double the order value. There's no shame in doing that, right? And then it doubles the profit or more. Those sweatshirts have some nice margins. So just an idea there, just floating an idea. So your popular designs, make them available. Even if it's on separate product listings, that's completely fine. If you know you have a winner, double down, triple down. You know what I'm saying? Occupy as much online real estate as possible with the winner, right? That data that you have, that it's generating sales, utilize it, right? And study how you made that first listing that's performing well. Let that translate into your additional product listing. So if you have your shirt and your primary thumbnail is a yellow shirt, perhaps maybe make your primary thumbnail for the hoodie listing with the same design yellow, right? You see what I'm saying? Don't just randomly make it white or randomly make it black. That's kind of where I was going with that. Looks like you tried a mug. One thing I like to say to people who are new, like this shop, I like it. It only has 88 sales though. I think this shop should be in more competitive niches. I like that you're doing Hello Thanksmas. Be in more competitive niches like that. Also, stay in a lane. I always like to challenge people to really get good at like one product type, whether it's t-shirts, whether it's tote bags, whatever it is. Get really good at one product type before branching out into 5 different product types. You know what I mean? Unless caveat, unless it is that situation I described where you've got best sellers, so you know it's working, you know it's in high demand. In that case, branch out early into other product types, but otherwise just stay focused, stay in your lane for whatever one product type you really like. Get really good, develop a templated approach to creating product listings for that product type, and then just move forward with that for a while. So you've got your tumblers, throw blankets. You know, personally, I would be getting really good at t-shirts, but if you don't want to do shirts, do something else. I would say like, I like what you're doing with the shirts though. I think you have big potential. So you're on your way. If you want to create a lower list price, we talked about that. The thumbnails are not perfect, but they are really good. Like they definitely get the job done. I don't think they're holding you back at all. And that's really it. I mean, let me know, guys, what do you think about this shop? What can they do better? What did you like that they're already doing, by the way? Do you agree with me that their existing thumbnails are good? Let me know. Yeah, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Check out my full print on demand course. It is linked in the description if you want to learn exactly how I make 6-figure profits from my print on demand business every year since 2019. That included setting me free from my day job in 2020. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.